This is Caleb Pickett with MarineMax here on Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. And today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Yamaha AR250. So you got out here, the exterior is the seafoam green color with the white and gray interior. Here on the swim platform, so you got your clean out ports right here. Stepping on board. You also had a audio control right here, so if you're hanging out in the water, you can control your music and your radio station from there. Got a great center walkthrough, so you don't have to step on any seats. Got great little bench seating here on either side. Comes with this igloo cooler, and here are the brand new Yamaha high output 1.9 liter engines. So it's got twins. So all in all, you're looking, if you're in the ballpark of about 400 horsepower. And dual battery hookup. Got one starter battery, one house battery. So if you're hanging out the sandbar, listening to music, got all your lights on, it's okay. You're not gonna run out of battery. Got the passenger seat here. Glove store spot there. Here's the helm station, got your screen. Dual ignition and throttle. Got a phone holder and charger there. Kill switch. Tons of cup holders and little storage all throughout. Here is a head compartment, so you can either get a little bathroom in there, or you can just use the space as a bunch of storage. Here's your ski locker. So a huge amount of storage space here. Great for skis, any sort of boards, any kind of water sports, things like that. Under here, more storage under the helm. And this door can also latch into place like that. And if you close the windshield, it's great to block yourself from the wind on those cooler days. Coming up to the bow, super spacious bow. Got speakers throughout, cup holders throughout. These little grab rails on either side. And this here in the very front, you got a boarding ladder and your anchor with your rope and everything like that. Again, great for, it's an amazing hanging out boat. Great for hanging out, spending the day on the water. It's a beautiful boat, tons of horsepower, tons of fun. So if this is a boat you'd like to check out and learn more about, we'd be more than happy to help you. So come by to MarineMax here on Lake Wylie. Thanks, guys.